Hey guys, Andu here, and I have a Loot Anime box today. So I got this box for two different reasons. The first one is the theme, or at least what's supposed to be in it. And that's from a show and author. The show is called the Junji Ito Collection, because I am a huge fan of Junji Ito. And after I saw that Junji Ito was in this box, or something from him was in this box, I just knew how to get him. And then there's also the fact that I've had Loot Anime before, canceled it a while ago, and I really want to see what it is now. Because I know there's a lot of stuff going on with Loot Anime that's not so good. Not going into the specifics of it, but I want to see how it is now. So this is the October box, and today's November 2nd. So that was a really, really fast shipping time. But anyway, let's open this up. Da, da, da. Oh. Okay, so first of all is a shirt. And this shirt is of Angels of Death, Zack from it. And I have to say, it actually looks pretty cool. Both on person and then with the camera. So that's cool. Second thing in there, a plush of How to Train a Mummy, I believe the show's called. I know the show, I just don't remember the specific wording of the title. But I know what it is, and oh, it's How to Keep a Mummy. Well, I mean, that's kind of cool. Next up is a Yumi pen, which looks okay. I mean, actually, kind of looks cool. It has a nice October feel to it, like a nice Halloweenish zombie. Next up is a. What is this? Like a face mask kind of thing. Now I'm really lazy to open this, but my guess is that this is from what is this show? Mob Psycho 100. Actually, let me open it. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, this is definitely Mob Psycho 100. So this is a like a face covering face mask kind of thing. I'm not going to wear this at all. This will probably just sit in the corner of my room for a few years. But I mean, cool, I guess. Next thing, a little note, and the thing I've been waiting for. This looks like a sticker, a bent sticker of a story by Junji Ito. I mean, that looks pretty cool. I wish this stuff wasn't on the bottom. But hey, that's not bad. I honestly wasn't expecting this for the Junji Ito product. And then here's the box. So I guess overall the box wasn't that bad. I do have to say the wins for this is probably the shirt and then the sticker, I'm guessing what this is. And then the ultimate fail is just this. Like, that's ugly as fuck. Like, I don't see myself wearing this. And I would probably just give it away if I had the energy to. But yeah, that was the Loot anime for October 2020. I have to say that it's much better than what I expected it to be. Actually, not as good, because I was expecting more from it. Like an actual manga for Junji Ito, or I honestly thought there was going to be like a book. Not a book, a t-shirt for Junji Ito. Because there's been like a lot of t-shirts coming out. Oh, that's cool. And this is... But yeah, that was the October box. I might continue my subscription. I just don't know what's the November box. But I would say if the shows in it pique your interest, I would say why not? You could probably find a good deal using some kind of web extension and get some discounts. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this. Bye.